This is the Iowa Weather Report for Friday, April 11th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have a bit of a west-northwesterly flow across from the Mississippi westward with a little bit of a pretty broad trough over the country. Some energy moving across Minnesota and Wisconsin could bring a little bit of activity up there. Otherwise, it looks to be mainly sunny around here with highs in the 60s and 70s. The frontal system that came through yesterday will be off to our south, producing some rainfall over the Ohio Valley. But the next storm system is going to be coming in here on Saturday. This will bring some showers and some thunderstorms around. Highs will be in the upper 60s through the upper 70s across the state, so we could see some decent storms out of that. And then here on Sunday, we'll get the frontal system will be through the state. It'll be rainy, some embedded thunder around. It'll be cool, highs in the upper 40s northwest to low 60s south and east. Temperatures will be falling throughout the afternoon. By Monday, we could see cold temperatures, highs in the 40s to maybe near 50. Some of the precipitation late Sunday night, Monday morning could mix with some snow. Yes, I said snow. The cold weather looks to continue here on Tuesday. With the cold air aloft, we could see a popcorn shower around here Tuesday afternoon, especially in our northeastern counties. Highs will still remain in the 40s to near 50. It starts to warm up a little bit here on Wednesday. Highs from around the upper 40s to maybe low 60s from northeast to south and west. And that'll be with a warm front that'll then start to move through, and it'll be just to the north of the state with some showers in Minnesota, Wisconsin, into the lower parts of Michigan. Could clip the northeastern counties with a couple of showers, otherwise partly to mostly sunny skies with highs back into the 60s for most of the state. But unfortunately, the next storm is going to be coming in a bit negatively tilted here with some energy moving through Kansas and Oklahoma next Friday. And this will bring a cold front. It'll be nudging a cold front in our direction, so this could bring some showers and thunderstorms, especially in Nebraska, Kansas, and into Oklahoma. Could see severe weather if this is possible. We still have a week to look at it, and some of these storms could move in here very late next Friday night into early next Saturday. Going into the extended period, April 22nd, a west-northwesterly flow, some energy moving across Ontario, another system of significance off the west coast. But around here, we'll have a system just to our south and east, producing some showers and thunderstorms there. Readings, if this is to be right, would be likely near seasonal levels in the 60s to maybe near 70. And then as we go to the end of the forecast on April 26th, big trough over the south and west. And this would be something to look at in about a day or two after this, because this would bring a storm system in our direction. And in this case, when we look at the chart, we have a low pressure center, if this is right, over eastern Colorado, western Kansas, the Gulf wide open, showers, thunderstorms, highs in the 70s if this is to be right, and maybe severe weather, but this is more than 2 weeks out. Satellite image from last evening, we had some high and mid-level clouds moving across the state. You see the cold front that came through yesterday from the Great Lakes down into the southern parts of Missouri, and another storm moving into California. The watch warning map from last evening, we had some red flag warnings in New Mexico, a flash flood watch over Montana, some flooding down in the south and across the northeast, but otherwise it was fairly quiet at this point. QPF chart, it doesn't look very quiet. This is rainfall or precipitation through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall around here could reach between a half an inch in the northwestern counties to possibly 2 or maybe 3 inches in our far eastern counties.